Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 10 after 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on July 12th, 2010. Looking at the S&P 500 ETF as always, so we get a nice volume print here. Right at the open, very nice run up. And we filled this gap pre-market, as we talked about, nicely. Tested away the 107.60 mark, the next logical place of resistance, another line we had drawn in, and then blasted right through a pretty good level of resistance at 107.70, which was just a little surprising, but very good to see on the bullish side of things. We have to go out to a larger time frame to see what that looks like, and the 108 mark, which admittedly I didn't even bother to draw in this morning. I was just going to watch the gap fill. Got tested severely and very nicely here. So I have to zoom out a long way and have to look to a higher time frame to see that price action. So one notable test after this run up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar sell-off then right to a level of support, which is the morning pre-market lows, almost to the penny, and then popped right back up. So we're looking at a 50% retrace right now of the last sell-off and almost a 100% retrace of the last run-up. So a big move up, 100% retracement, and then a move back up here. So if we draw the fib line in here, just to get an idea of where the 50-yard line is, it's right through here. We can drop a line there, and it's already there at 107.73, just to make it a little bit more dark. So we are looking at a huge, beautiful test of this 50-yard line. I'll be looking at that carefully because the higher we go above this, the better chance we have of making a higher swing low. It's going to be X% more bullish. If we fail this or test out and make a swing high right there, then we have a better chance, about an equal chance I would say, of making a higher swing low, working our way out of it, or lower swing highs and failing. So this 50-yard line is very important. It is quite often. The only good thing about this on the bullish side of things is we tested away some resistance back here, which is great, and the volume was declining on the way down. So with that in our hands, not too bad, but we'll have to see. This is an interesting day, a little bit more of an advanced environment. The trend, if I look to a 3-minute chart, just to look at this, almost all day long has been hovering right around the 0.8 mark. Chopping around through there. One notable move to the upside, still just barely testing the 1.2 area, which is usually the beginning of the bear area, and now we're back down below the 0.8 level. If we could see a series of lower highs and lower lows working our way toward the 0.5 mark, that would be pretty nice. The trend Q, at least to the bull side. Trend Q in this scenario has been bullish all day long, even below 0.5 the entire day. And that's very impressive to the bullish side of things. So a huge divergence really between the trend and the trend Q. At one point, the trend Q was absolutely over bought, and so it's way down here, which is very bullish. This would be 5.0 on the upside of things. So on the bear side of things, 0.2, very difficult to sustain that, and now we're even below the 0.33 area, which is again to me getting into the over bot zone. So watch out for this and why the trend Q and the trend don't match. And the VIX, good tiebreaker oftentimes, has just really been treating like the broad markets. So nice confirmation on the move up, then a sell-off, and then a move back up. What's a little bit more bearish here is that the retracement, drop this in here for everybody to see, the 50-yard line on this is right through here. So when I look at this guy, and I can remove this now, we are at the 50-yard line, but not getting the same test that we got on the broad markets here. In addition, we did a more than 100% retracement of the last run-up / sell-off in the VIX. So this is X% more bearish, what I'm seeing in the VIX, compared to the S&P, which we've already taken apart. And so there's a divergence again between the trend and trend Q. There's a divergence between price and the VIX. So be very careful how you tread into this environment right through here. Nice swing high that we're looking at testing away right now also. So good stuff. Resistance on the way up right through here also. So good stuff. Support basically right where we are right there, and then the swing low through here. Very nice. So kind of an interesting day to take apart. and it's fun to be here with you to do it. Well, I will talk to you. If you've taken a mentor class, we'll be doing our follow-up mentor session tonight, as always, from 9 to 10, kind of our class hours. Follow up, and otherwise I'll talk to everybody else tomorrow morning, see how things are shaping up overnight, and Des will be with you this afternoon. So talk to you soon, everybody. Trade well.